Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to upload your website on Hostinger to start hosting it. Now start here on your HPanel or Hostinger's homepage. I've signed in with my account, and what you want to do is to go to hosting, and if you don't already have, just purchase a premium web hosting plan and click here on manage. And here you would want to go to files, and you have here some options. Now you can go here and go to the file manager and you should have an option to upload your website's files, or alternatively you can go to FTP or file transfer protocol, and here you have all the information that are necessary to start importing your files to your Hostinger account, or just go ahead and import website. So here you can import your website if you have a copy or like a backup of your website in a zip, .tr or .gz format. Simply go ahead and upload the file here, and your website will be hosted on Hostinger. It's probably the best method out there, as it is like straightforward and easy to use. However, I just wanted to show you all the options that you have to start hosting or adding or uploading your website on Hostinger. So once you choose a file here, click on choose file. It'll open up the Explorer or the like files app on your computer, whatever your computer is, and you choose the zip file or the file of your website, start uploading it, and it'll be hosted on Hostinger.